good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 21 from verse 20 to verse 33. When time unu see say soldiers surround Jerusalem, unu fi know say destruction dey near. Everybody in Judea fi run go up in the mountain dem. Who in the city fi come out, and who there in the country no fi come at the town. The time we write down when God go punish him people would have done there. What a sitting in a them time there fi woman we have baby in a belly, and fi mother we have young baby. People are going to suffer bad in the land, and God are going to punish them people here. The enemy are going to use sword kill off some of them and take some of them turn prisoner foreign. The people them were not Jew are going to rule over Jerusalem and make them suffer till for them time done. Sign are going to in the sun, the moon, and the star them. Upon the earth, the people them were not Jew are going to twist and turn and don't know what to do when they hear the sea roar. People are going to catch them afraid and kin over, cause them are going to wonder what happened to the world, cause everything where they in the sky are going to get shake out of them place. Then them are going to see the man where God pick a come in a one cloud, and them are going to have power and one bright light a shine around him. When they sit they start to happen, turn up straight and hold up on your head, cause the time for free uno soon come. Jesus tell them this too. Look upon the fig tree and all the other tree them. Anytime they start grow leaf, uno know say summer soon come. So anytime uno see say all them sitting there happen, uno know say God kingdom soon come. Me I tell you this, and I true me attack. The people them from that time yeah, not dead till all of them sitting here happen. Heaven and earth not go about forever, but for me word I go last forever. And God word this. Thank God